This is a geometry, the Unit 1 mid-unit quest check, reviewing for the mid-unit quest. I'm looking at excuse me, part B on number 1. Here is, if you watched the first video, there's number 1 all done. On the 1B, we look at how it starts as translate. As soon as we see translate, if I don't even look at the rest yet, remember translate, if we look at, there's SL, translate is a slide. So when we do move our rectangle RSTU, it's not going to flip, it's not going to turn, all the letters are going to stay kind of in the same place, just the rectangle is going to be in a different place in the graph. RSTU, this is the original rectangle from part A, so I took a second, I already graphed RSTU. This is from 1A, there's the original RSTU there. So I just regraphed the same points in the bottom here. Now we're supposed to translate it or slide this rectangle 5 units left and 2 units up. Represent the result graphically below and label it, and they've given us the R double prime, S double prime. The double primes are because this is the second time we've changed the shape. The first time was in part A when we reflected it. And now we're going to translate it. And remember, the translate is the slide. So I'm going to use my tracing paper from that previous problem. I already have RSTU traced. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of, let's get rid of the dash line. We're not using that anymore. When we slide it, remember that this tracing paper, if we're visualizing it, isn't going in, it's not flipping over, it's not turning. All we're doing is going left, right, up, and down. So if it says 5 units left, that means we're going to take this and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And notice that the R, S, T, and U aren't in different positions. Here the R is the bottom right. Here the R is bottom right. Bottom right corner, bottom right corner. S is bottom left corner. S is bottom left corner. So that's all staying the same. Now that was my shift or my slide 5 units left. And now we're going 2 units up. There's 1, 2. So now my T is all the way over here at -4 and +3. 4 left, 3 up. 4 left, 1, 2, 3 up. So that's my new T, which means that's the T double prime. The U is just 1, 2, 3 units away. So that's my U double prime. My S, 1, 2, 3, 4 was 4 places below the T. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice there's a couple different ways to get these new spots. And then the R is right over here underneath the U and 3 away from the S. So again, 5 units left, 2 units up. Then once I've got those graphed and labeled, notice I label all those points with the double primes and the new letters. I connect to get my new rectangle, and there's my translation, 5 left and 2 up.